Hello, L1X community. Welcome to our step-by-step walkthrough for claiming your L1X coins. This is the interface that we're using from the step-by-step guide online. And today we're going to use the private sale. I'm Community Manager Joe, and I have here with me
Sam, and I'm the other community manager, as I'm sure you'll know.
We're going to bumble our way through this and give you the in-depth details as to how this works. So, like I said, we're going to use the private sale and use our MetaMask connection. So to do that, we're just going to press link. And just bear with me. It's a little funky when we're doing a screen record because it brings up MetaMask massively across the whole screen. Yours should only be a little one in the corner. So we're going to connect our account. So select the right account. If you've only got one MetaMask, you'll only have one. I'm just going to use this one. And down the bottom, we press connect. So this address should be the one that you used for your contribution. It should be the same address you used for contribution that you're going to use now to claim your coins. So as you can see, we're connecting through MetaMask. We've signed the transaction, and I've got 50 L1X coins here in my linked MetaMask address. Two options. I can dispute what I have. So if I don't believe that this amount's right or the right amount for my contribution, I can dispute that, or I can claim my coins. So I'm looking at that. That's what I'm. That's my allocation. So I'm going to click claim coins.
So Joe, 50 L1X coins, does that make you an amoeba or plankton? Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Oof. That's a great question. Probably have to be just a step above at the plankton level, I think. Amoeba, I don't think I'm just a touch above that. So as it says here, once we agree, we're confirmed this can't be undone, so we're claiming our coins. So it gives us a little command prompt there. Yeah, no turtle, no kraken. Now it wants me to enter my L1X wallet address. Now in our walkthrough video, it takes you through. In our walkthrough guide, it takes us through how to make yourself your L1X address, which I've already done. So I just grab my address from my toolbar up here. And just copy it. And I can paste it into here. And then claim. Awesome. Then it shows what's been sent through. And this is now just effectively almost like my receipt of transaction. And if I go to my wallet up here, I should be able to then see that my balance has been added, and I have there was already 5 L1X coins in there, and now there's 55. So we've got our extra 50 added. And it's as simple as that to claim your coins. And that's the whole process. So it's pretty easy. Sam, basically I've stepped my way up from only having 5 and being on an amoeba to the plankton level. A few more steps.
Me personally, I'm a kraken, so I don't care really.
I knew that would be the case. I knew there was a kraken in the community. I knew it'd be you.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. And so that's it from us, guys. That's everything you need to know in order to claim. Obviously, the processes are very similar for the public and also for the term sheet. But that's as simple as it is. Just head on to the claim.l1xapp.com/claim, and then you'll be able to just follow the guide all the way through to be able to claim your coins. Thanks, guys, for joining us.
Yeah, and I just wanted to add that if you guys face any issues, please feel free to report it to us or open a ticket in our Discord, and we'll take a look at it.
Perfect. Thanks, everyone.